over the Skyway Bridge, headed out to Ellington. Ellington is a premium outlet store. It's got about 130 different stores, including one of our favorites, the Columbia factory outlet. The beautiful water. St. Pete is surrounded by 3 sides of water. It's the peninsula, on the peninsula of Florida. There's the fishing bridge. It's the old Skyway Bridge. The old Skyway Bridge collapsed, I would say, probably about 50 years ago now, if I remember that correctly. I tell you, going over all these bridges all the time growing up, I was super excited to go over to the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. Got to the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, went across the bridge and went, that's it?
That's it?
That's it? That wasn't very big. So we've arrived down here at the Shops of Ellington. There's 130 stores here. One of our favorites that we're gonna be going into today is Columbia. We're getting some items here for our next big trip that we're getting ready to go on. We are going to be headed out to Fontana Dam in North Carolina. You'll have to check out that video later, but right now we're just collecting some supplies for our next trip.
We made it to the Columbia Sportswear, our preferred vacationing outlet for clothing. Come on in. What are you looking for?
Pants probably.
Pants.
I'm looking for something in the kayak for it to get wet. Yeah, cover so don't get sunburned.
Oh, good idea.
So, zip off might work.
Zip off.
I like the elastic band. I don't have any shorts with the elastic band.
But these aren't zip off though.
No, but they can just pull straight on over top of the swimsuit or whatever.
What about one of these? Do you need these for your hands for kayaking?
Oh, probably. You're gonna get. Will this help my hands just like the other things will? They would also protect my hands from the sun.
It will.
So, what are these?
Those are neck garters, or those are arms. But there's arms, and then there's
arm sleeves.
Arm sleeves or neck garters.
I have some long sleeve shirts that I can wear. Oh yeah, my swim shirt is gonna be long sleeve to protect my hands.
Oh, good. That.
What do you think? This size?
That'll work. Yeah. Something like that. Yeah, does that work better with your ponytail?
No. The hats have one also with the ponytail.
Does it? What hats have one? The hats have ponytails?
They always have the pull-through.
Oh.
Or right here. That's for your ponytail.
That's what it's for?
Yes.
I never knew that.
I don't think that's what it's really for, but that's what women use it for.
What'd you get? A hat, right?
Oh yes, I got a hat, and then I also got a rain jacket.
Rain jacket?
Yeah, last minute purchase. Realized, hey, we're going to be outside for 4 days.
$60 rain jacket. Oh, let's go this way. We'll go this way.
It is bound to rain in the Smoky Mountains.
True, when we're out on the river in the middle of nowhere.
Yes.
So,
no shelter.
That's good.
Rain jacket will be good.
We got our Columbia purchase done. I got some shorts and a hat.
Ooh, and 2 tumblers, right?
And 2 tumblers. Yeah, like little coffee cups. That's something I wanted better than the one tiny titanium cup I have. So that's cool.
I got some pants, and ooh, I got a dress too.
You got a dress too that you can wear. Yeah, well, I'll have to show that later. Yeah.
I can't.
These are some of the old, I guess they would be cups that we had. If you can see that, they kind of squish down on each other. Truth, I'm not sure if we really ever used these or not. I personally have a titanium cup I use, but we had these. I think we got them for the kids. Since we're out there at the not sponsored Columbia, I bought 2 of these 15-ounce aluminum cans, so we're gonna use these for our trip. These are a little bit different than what we normally have. I also upgraded my old hat, which is actually not all that bad, which I still might bring with me. You see on the back, it doesn't have anything, but I do like it. But I decided to try out this new baseball looking one, but the difference is on the back here, it has this piece of cloth there to cover the back of the neck. So while kayaking, oops, I won't get sunburned back there because I I often do. I tend not to use sunscreen when I should. I also bought a pair of shorts from the Columbia. These are kind of like the ones I have now. I like the more cargo-y ones. I also have pants too that are zip on, zip off, but I specifically bought these as shorts. But normally I do like to get the ones that have zip on and zip off pants. This is pretty good. This was $35. The hat was $38, kind of expensive for a hat. And these were on sale, which is the other reason why I bought them, for only $15 each. So not ultralight, but.
So at Columbia, we picked up this dress. I'm looking forward to wearing this after we get off the river. And when we're setting up camp, it was $34. And I think there was $5 off that day. I also picked up these pants. I was looking for something so I don't get sunburnt. When you're in the kayak and your legs are out straight, normally my legs get burnt, and I'm always concerned about not getting sunburnt. So I picked up these pants. They're quick dry pants, super comfortable, elastic waist, zip off pants so that I can, if I want to wear shorts, I can just take off the bottom thing. They were $49.99, but I'm sure we got a discount off those as well. And then always need the sun visor. It was $25, but again, sure there was a discount at the outlet store. And then I was really concerned about, we're gonna be out there in the elements for 4 days, and I didn't have a really nice rain jacket. So I wanted to get an upgrade on my rain jacket. So I found a rain jacket, and the nice thing about this rain jacket is that it has a pocket over here where you can turn it inside out, stuff it all in, and it will make a good carry pocket. So you just turn everything in. And it was $59.99, but again, I'm sure there was a sale and a discount on it. But I know it's gonna be worth it to stay dry if it starts to rain in the Smokies. There. And we have a nice pocket.
Wonderful. So that was our Columbia haul. We got a bunch of different clothes for our trip. Should be a lot of fun. Hanging out in the woods for 4 days, 4 nights by Fontana Dam and, was it Fontana Lake? Is that the actual name of the lake too? We had meant to get a video of the Sunshine Skyway as we were heading down to Bradenton. However, it didn't quite work out because the angles and everything. So here it is going back northbound on 275. So we're going from what is called Terracea, which is basically Bradenton, Florida, north to South St. Petersburg, Florida. Pretty cool 4-lane highway going over Tampa Bay at a height of 430 feet. Pretty nice view when you get up there.
Much better at night with changing colors.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. Have you seen it at night?
Oh.
It's got LED lights, so the LED lights